Hello, everybody. My name is Tyler Verhoff, and I am an adapted physical education teacher and Special Olympic Director or Director of Athletics for my school. I work at a county board of developmental disabilities, and this is my introduction to school law. Okay, so the demographics of where I'm from. As you can see with the red dot on the state of Ohio, that is where I'm located. That is where I'm currently teaching. I'm a third year professional physical education teacher. I already had mentioned that I worked at a board of DD. I am a single man, the oldest of four brothers and sisters. I have a sister who is severely disabled and special needs. That's kind of where my background for special education comes from. I was an ex-college athlete. I ran cross country and got a degree from Bowling Green State University in physical education. And I am ready to be an administrative leader. Critical reflection on school law for me. So, the questions we were asking: how does your school administrator demonstrate knowledge of laws? So I went over to my superintendent and we talked, and he provides educational presentations that pertain to the law. He also explains financial laws in education for the staff and for the students, so we all know what not to do and what to do. It also gives us relevant updates in change to education law. It's pretty self-explanatory. They all kind of bracket together with my critical reflection of our superintendent. In terms of a safe environment, we do a great job, I think, of our administrators making it safe for the kids. We are fully culturally oriented for families. Families feel safe in our school. They come for events all the time. They come for plays, basketball games, and sometimes they'll just hang around the school and talk to all the teachers because that's what they like to do. But our principal talks to staff members individually about how the law changes and about how they can make the environment of the classrooms better for our students, as well as the hallways. One particular thing that comes to mind is this: for safety, working at a board of DD, I have to escort a student into the school and out of the school because of violent behavior. So I'm walking with him, just kind of making like a bubble, because he'll just kind of kick or hit over. So that was just a personal example of how our principal makes it safe in our building and happened to involve me. The critique of my personal self and my knowledge in regards to educational law. I have knowledge in my state on all the laws and stuff as retirement, and I know groundbreaking court cases. I understand a little bit, not very much, and that's why I'm here to take this class. And I understand the chain of command and the inner logistics in running the law for the school in my district. So my proposed plan of action is to ask more questions to mentors and veteran teachers, to follow trending news and educational law cases in the news, subscribe to some emails and social media platforms on school law, and try to get a greater understanding for it as I grow my knowledge as a student. I want to receive regional updates on possible law changes in my area. I can do that through regional newspapers, and we are all required to attend workshops for our professional craft to get better. I would like to do that for school law, maybe visit with a lawyer over educational law stuff or talking to my teachers union representative, he could talk to me a lot about the school law. And I think I would know more about school law, but our teacher union is about 4 years old, so we don't really have it built properly. So sometimes I feel I know more knowledge on educational laws than some of my veteran colleagues. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.